vital to losing weight and keeping it off. Well active, the body uses more energy in the form of calories, and burning more calories than you take in leads to weight loss. To lose weight, most people need to cut the number of calories they eat and move more. This is according to the dietary guidelines from Americans. Most often, that means cutting daily calories by 500 to 750 to lose 1 or 1 by 2 pounds or 0.7 kilograms a week. Other factors might be involved in losing weight because of changes to the body over time. You might need to cut calories more as you age to keep losing weight or to stay at the same weight. Diet or exercise, both are important. Diet affects weight loss more than physical activity does. Physical activity includes exercise. It has a stronger effect in keeping weight from coming back after weight loss. Losing weight with diet alone and without physical activity can make people weaker. This is because of age-related loss in bone density and muscle mass. Adding resistance training and aerobic exercise to a weight loss programs help prevent the loss of bone and muscle. These are the exercise guidelines for most healthy adults from the US Department of Health and Human Service. You can do aerobic activity at least 150 minutes of moderately a week, or get 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity a week. You can also get an equal mix of the two types. Aim to exercise most days of the week for even more health benefits. Strive for 300 minutes a week or more of moderate aerobic activity or 150 minutes of vigorous activity. Exercising this much may help with weight loss or keeping off lost weight, but even small amounts of physical activity can be helpful. Being active for short periods of time during the day can add up and give you great health benefits. Strength training is also there. Do strength training exercise for all major muscle groups at least 2 times a week. One set of each exercise is enough for health and fitness benefits. Use a weight or resistance level heavy enough to tire your muscles after about 12 to 15 repetitions. Moderate aerobic exercise includes activities such as brisk walking, biking, swimming, and mowing the lawn. Vigorous aerobic exercise includes activities such as running, swimming, hard laps, heavy hard work, and aerobic dancing. Strength training can include use of weights or weight machines, your own body weight, resistant tubing, or activities such as rock climbing. So you may want to know, how much am I burning? There are a specific number of calories that are burned while doing certain exercise for 1 hour. This is based on a person who weighs 160 pounds or 73 kilograms. The calories you burn depend on the exercise you do, how hard you do, how much you weigh, and other factors. You can search it easily in any kinds of website or just Google it. Remember, to lose weight or to keep weight from creeping up on you as you age, you need to eat less and move more. Moving more means adding more physical activity into your life. Exercise provides so many health-related benefits and is one of the most important countermeasures you can rely on to prevent chronic disease and reduce overall risk of mortality. However, sometimes the effectiveness of exercise for weight loss is oversold and people may overestimate how effective it will be toward the goal of losing weight. Therefore, it is important for people to understand how to incorporate exercise into their weight management plan in a way that does not lead to 1 step forward and 2 steps back. First of all, overestimated calorie deficit. Being regularly active and taking part in structured exercise activities are ways to expend more energy throughout the day, often referred to as burning more calories. A negative energy balance, more commonly referred to as a caloric deficit, is required for sustained weight loss over time. However, exercise may not lead to as big of a deficit as you may think. Activity trackers and fitness watch often overestimate the amount of calories burned during exercise. Instead of 1200 calories burned during a 45-minute elliptical sessions tracked on your fitness watch, it may be closer to 400 to 700 calories depending on your intensity levels. This may lead you to miscalculate your target calories for the day and ultimately mislead you in how many calories you can consume throughout the rest of the day. So you need to make a daily habits. One of the main reasons exercise may not meaningfully reduce body weight is because people often take part in other behaviors that upset this action when they are not exercising, thus sabotaging their goal of weight loss. Some people tend to eat more after exercise, either driven by increased hunger or as a part of a behavioral reward construct. For example, a person may add in a snack or splurge in a dessert, likely preceded by the inner monologue of "I have earned this." This type of action essentially negates any additional calories the person expended during the hard-earned trip to the gym. Research has also found that people often are less active throughout the day after a bout of activity. Again, this type of behavior may reduce the potential for a daily caloric deficit, as a person may expend less energy throughout the remaining hours of the day.